to see me?
Name's Delaney, Sergeant. Narcotic Division. You got any hang-ups about working undercover? Well, they got you brainwashed good, haven't they? This job, you got a choice. You say no, and nobody knows I've even been around. It's up to you.
Poland spring bottles, baby bottles, pacified with the clip, the gun nozzle. You trying to figure out the message, the correlate between necessity and a weapon, to understand the meaning and the lesson. That's what I'm doing it for. Needed more bread, the bud started moving it more. Put the pedal to the floor. From Hempstead, these niggas know I'm riding to the core. Your cotton picked the mine and I compete if I was blind. This shit is real, quote unquote thugs squeal. Focus on the money and the mill. Deliver G shit, sign sell. Not my kids in the streets. I'd rather them relaxing on the beach. Somewhere out of reach from heat. Somewhere far from police. Where they can stack a lot of cheese. I hold it down with they pops. Avoid the cops. Cause family is all we got.
I'm told you can jive with the dudes on the street.
Yeah, I can turn it on. If I want.
9 tomorrow morning, report to me.
Tomorrow? We don't graduate until Thursday.
You walk away from here right now. You don't come back and you keep your mouth shut.
Right? Open container, chapter bottle. Fill a cup up in my pal name. Blowing the blunt ashes off of my clothes. Concrete rolls, started in the Chandler. Then close friends finish you off with a Hancock. It ain't hard to tell still. Come and take a walk through Hellville. They won't hold you down, but the ones you fell will. I bet your shooter can't spell kill. Wow. It's back to training. It's too much affidavit. I rage a stoop in the mask, they be masquerading. I get it done, no aspiration. I'm the sharpest knife in mama's kitchen. But I still ain't got a pot to piss in. Had to let it go just to stop the itching. They used to look out, now they watch your vision.
What if I was still wildin'? Right. To me, I'm giving y'all this polish. We used to rob niggas for their wallets, and this is common knowledge. I finished up a couple years of college. Hit the block to make my pockets brolic. See, I can multiply. With every corner locked down, she used to wanna chill. I'm like, not now, I'm getting it, that's how I'm spitting it. They talk a good one, they chicken shit. I'm pretty sure what the difference is, don't get it twisted. Unless you rollin' trees, don't ever talk that gang shit. Unless you throwin' seeds, nigga please. From hillside to Medellin, huss the match, I'm the kerosene. Saran wrap and triple beans. We pack gats and orange box cutters, Italian pasta lover. Man, you gotta love it. Since a youngin' I've been thuggin'. They really had a nigga out here bugging, making something out of nothing.
You wanted to see me?
Name's Delaney, Sergeant. Narcotic Division. You got any hang-ups about working undercover? Well, they got you brainwashed good, haven't they? This job, you got a choice. You say no, and nobody knows I've even been around.